Kuju Gakinawea, Winnipistabe and the Goo, Makwain Gudame, Wikoyang and Dunjaba, Wikoidong and Da, Anishinaabe, Kway and Dao. We're here with the Ojibwe Phrase of the Week. The phrase I wanted to share is Awia Zagijinaja Mish Gashkenda. We Jiguize Minowa Eshkam Go We Mino Aya. What that means is if someone's sad, tell them to go outside. They'll get the help they need and they'll start to feel better. I was feeling a little sad here and thinking about even just this phrase, and we're out here in Ingipindagujige. I offered my tobacco and it was money to the spirits. They hear us when we do that and they start to help you feel better. I'm standing on the bridge in between Family Services building and the courthouse here, and I can look over the lake and see some pink in the sky right now. It works, it helps. We live by these teachings. We'll live a more balanced life. Miigwech Bizendawiye.